In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate monday.com with Slack in just 5 minutes. First, let's get started by heading over to monday.com. Open your favorite browser and enter the monday.com web address in the address bar. Once the page has loaded, you'll notice a login button situated at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. If you're signing into monday.com for the very first time, you'll be prompted to log in using either Google or an email that's connected to your Monday account. Follow those prompts and you'll be ready to go. However, if you've already logged in before, then clicking that login button will take you straight to your Monday workspace, saving you a bit of time. Now, with just a few clicks, we'll find our way to the marketplace. You'll see a dotted square located on the same top right corner of the interface. That, my friends, is your gateway to the marketplace. Give it a click. Here, you are presented with a variety of apps, but since today we are focusing on integrating Slack, direct your attention to the search bar and type in Slack. Here comes an exciting part, installing the Slack app. Once you have located it in the search results, click to install. During the installation process, you'll be asked to select a workspace. Choose the one that you'll be working with, ensuring everything lines up perfectly for the integration. After successfully installing the app, you'll be redirected to a page filled with templates for automation. These templates will simplify your workflow and make your life so much easier. Select a template that resonates with your needs, and this will prompt you to sign in and connect your Slack account. As you do this, make sure you follow any additional prompts that appear to ensure everything is connected seamlessly. Once you're signed in and your Slack account is linked to monday.com, you'll have access to use these automation templates directly on your boards. This integration will allow monday.com and Slack to communicate effortlessly, enabling you to streamline notifications, updates, and other key information right within your workflows. So there you have it, you've just integrated monday.com with Slack, and now you can enjoy a more interconnected, efficient workspace. It's a simple process, yet extremely valuable, offering you the synergy of both platforms to enhance productivity. You might want to explore some additional features and see what works best for your team setup. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides just like this. Until next time, keep maximizing your workflows and happy collaborating.